The plum is a fruit. Some types of plum are eaten fresh and others are dried to make dried plums, prunes. Plum cultivars include damson, green gage, mirabelle, satsuma plum, Victoria, yellow gage, golden plum. Raw plums are 87% water, 11% carbohydrates, 1% protein, and less than 1% fat. Energy value 46 kilocalories per 100 gram. Plums are rich in dietary fiber. Raw plums contain under 2 grams of fiber per fruit. Dried plums, prunes contain 7 grams dietary fiber per 100 grams. But it also has high calories content. 240 calories per 100 grams. Plums contain vitamin C 11%, 9.5 milligrams. Other vitamins and minerals are in low concentration. Phytonutrients present in plums improves cognitive function. Serve as a natural treatment for Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases. Health effects. Constipation. Eating dried plums increases the number of bowel movements in adults with constipation. Dried plum and plum juice seem to be as effective as psyllium metamucil. Cancer prevention. Reddish pigments in the fruit called anthocyanins are antioxidants. They can deactivate free radicals that may lead to the development of cancerous cells. Plums are good for people with diabetes mellitus and Weight Watchers. Plum has a low glycemic index. Plum consumption controls blood sugar levels and reduces the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Plums are good between meals. Natural laxative. Plums and prunes are both known for being natural laxatives due to fibers, sorbitol, and icidin found in the fruit.